Affiliate marketing tips that you should try out today. One of the new things people are getting into these days is affiliate marketing. The potential with affiliate marketing is rising, but a lot of people aren't sure what to do and how to be successful. The key to success in this market is to always learn new strategies you can implement towards your goals. One affiliate marketing program to take advantage of is a pay-per-click search engine. A PPC engine is one that prioritizes search results according to advertiser payments. When you bid on a keyword with a PPC engine, your site will appear higher on searches for that keyword. Because you only pay the PPC engine for successful searches that direct visitors your way, bidding for PPC keywords can be a very cost-effective strategy. Starting out with foundation links from trusted sites is the best way to go when you're just getting started. Seeking links from authority sites within your market is better than having unrelated links for the purposes of traffic and name recognition. Although there are shortcuts you can take, never tempt the integrity of your site by going the easy route. Once you have found techniques that work well, do not rely on them exclusively. You should always be on the lookout for new tools and new trends. You could broaden your audience or keep in touch with your customers, if the techniques you are currently using should become obsolete. Remember that everything becomes obsolete, sooner or later. With the information you just learned, you hopefully have some ideas of some of the strategies you want to apply towards your affiliate marketing endeavors. Remember that the knowledge in this video only serves as but a portion of the information available to you. Keep on the search for new tips and ideas that can benefit you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.